Hello guys, in this video, I will teach you how you can make your own trading investment website. So in this video first, I will show you the demo of this website, how this website looks like. Then I will teach you how you can make your own investment website while downloading this script. Okay? So first I will show you the demo of this website. This is the homepage of that website. This website looks like a Binance. Okay, so here is all the recent trades that are taken by the users. You can also track other people's trades. Okay, so this is the homepage of this website. You can change these picture texts from the admin panel. So this website comes with a complete admin panel. You can also add multiple trading pairs from the admin panel. Okay, so I will show you the admin panel of these websites also. So this is the sign up button. From here, users can register an account. They can also register with Google, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Okay, and also with the normal email. So I already have an account. So I will show you how this website dashboard looks like. So I log into my account and show you how this website dashboard looks like. This is the user dashboard of this website. Here is the open orders, the complete orders, and cancel orders details. Okay, so here you can see all the recent orders that we take and recent transactions like deposit, withdraw. All details are shown here. Okay, so here is the manage order. From here, you can also manage your orders that are open, like we have one open order. So here is the trade button. From here, users can trade and see the crypto chart. Okay, you can also add multiple trading pairs from the admin panel. So here users can see the live crypto chart. Okay, users can also zoom in and zoom out and also draw something on the chart. They can also add indicators on the chart. Okay, so here are the other currency pairs that users can trade. You can also add multiple trading pairs here. So here is the main point. From here, users can take trades. Like here, they can enter the amount, how much amount they want to enter in this account. And here they select the leverage. And here, from here, they click on this Buy TRX to open the trade. So here you can see the trade is opened successfully. And the same will happen here. The user can, if they want to sell, enter the amount here and select from here also. And click on this Sell TRX to sell the coins. Okay. So here is the trade history. All the trade histories are shown here that the user can take. So here is the Manage Wallet button. Users can also attach their wallet from here and deposit and withdraw their assets from here. Okay, so here is the deposit history. Here is the withdraw history. Here is the My Affiliation. Users can also earn by referring people. Here is the refer code of the users. Okay, so here is the transaction history. And here is the security, if users want to add two-factor authentication to their account. And here is the support button. From here, users can communicate with the admin. Now I will show you the admin panel of this website. So this website admin panel looks like this. Here is the total users, active users, and all the details are shown here. Okay, and if you want to see the users' trading histories like open orders, pending orders, you can see from here. So if you want to add new currency pairs to the website like your own cryptocurrency, here is the cryptocurrency button. You can add a new coin from here. Here is the Add New Currency. Just upload the symbol of that coin and the name and symbol of that coin. Okay, so here are the other sections also, like Manage Refer. You can manage the refer commission, payment gateway. So you can add manual and automatic gateways also. So here is the pending deposits and approved deposit section. Here is the withdraw pending, withdraw approved. And here is the general setting. From here you can change the name of the website, color of the website. You can also change the pictures of the website and the logo and the favicon of the website. So you can also change it. You can change the themes. Here is the logo and the favicon button, so you can upload a new logo and favicon to your website. And if you want to change the other sections like the pictures and the text, here is all the sections like Contact Us, Frequently Asked Questions. You can also modify this. So if anyone wants this website script or they want the complete investment website with domain and hosting, they can contact us on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is mentioned in the description. You can also contact me on Telegram. I will provide you this website script. And if you want any other type of website like investment website, e-commerce website, portfolio website, then you can also contact us.